My name is Tracy, and I am the Adult Recreation Programmer for the Town of Okotoks. We are excited to be offering Memory Kits, a unique project that was funded by the Government of Canada's New Horizons for Seniors program, building a dementia-friendly community. The Town of Okotoks is committed to inclusivity and recognizes the importance of supporting elders in our community.
My name is Jennifer. I'm an advocate for persons with dementia and formerly led the Dementia Friendly Communities project that made Okotoks the first of 2 dementia-friendly communities in Alberta. A dementia-friendly community is one in which individuals are supported to age in place and empowered to contribute and participate. I'm here to share with you a new way to engage with your loved one with dementia. The purpose of the kits is to offer an opportunity for a caregiver and their loved one with dementia to have a meaningful, engaging visit and enhance the quality of life for the person with dementia. Sometimes we may find it challenging to know how to best spend time with our loved ones or those we're caring for. This video will share information about what dementia is, what the kits contain, how to use them, and of course, where to access them. Alzheimer's is a disease with many of the symptoms of dementia. Every person with dementia is their own unique individual, and symptoms will vary by person. The impact of dementia goes beyond the person with dementia to those caring for them and the community that surrounds them. Dementia is a term for a group of symptoms that are caused by brain disorders. Symptoms include memory loss, challenges with thinking and decision-making, communication difficulties, and sometimes change in mood or behavior. Currently, there are 20,000 cases in Calgary and surrounding area. There are 13 different themed kits, ranging from life in the 50s to farms, homemakers, seasons, and more. Each kit contains a DVD and interactive activities, such as photo cards, puzzles, painting, or games, based on the theme of the kit, along with a folder of resources helpful for the caregiver. These kits can also be used in engaging with those with early onset dementia. Some kits may be of more interest to those with early onset. Sometimes it's tricky for a caregiver to know how to engage with their loved one with dementia. Starting a conversation isn't always easy. Past interests may not be top of mind for the person with dementia. Memory kits offer a place to start for the engagement to be natural.
It's very important that we have something that we can both relate to. And as soon as Jenny can relate to something, we just have a great time. That means a lot. Like in the kits, there are things there that we can both do together. If you can do it together, it means a lot.
To support those with dementia and their caregivers, the town is working in partnership with the Okotoks Public Library and will be providing the memory kits, available on a loan basis at no cost, for sharing with a loved one with dementia.
Hi, I'm Sarah Gilly. I'm the director of the Okotoks Public Library, and I'd like to tell you a little bit more about how to check out a memory kit. If you already have a library card, then you can sign out a kit right away for a 3-week loan period. If you don't have a library card but reside in the Okotoks or Foothills area, you can bring a piece of ID to the library to get a card. The cost is $15 for a 1-year single card, $25 for a family card, and a senior single card is only $10, and 80 plus are free. After your initial 3-week loan period, as long as there are no requests, you may renew the kit twice for up to a 9-week period. We encourage members to try each of the different themes on separate visits to the library.
Special thanks to Terry and Jenny for embracing the opportunity to trial the kit. We know it is critical to involve those with dementia and their caregivers in this process. Thanks also to the Town of Okotoks and Okotoks Public Library for recognizing and acting on fulfilling the need for memory kits.